Happy Wednesday, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. We got tons of stuff going over here. Finally kind of slowing down a little bit from the mayhem of the Black Friday sale and the Christmas giveaway. By the way, congratulations to the Devers or Devers. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Van and Kathy for winning the Grinchy Claus sign. You guys will be seeing a video coming soon where I'm actually packing that sign to ship, and I think that's something that I get a lot of questions on, and I want to help you guys out on that. So you'll see a video on that soon. But today, another Sign Carvers of the Day. We haven't done one for 2 or 3 weeks, something like that. So this group will take us up through October 15th. So keep those things coming. If you have questions, obviously you know how to get a hold of me. But we got 30 of them here or around that, so let's just jump right in. Greg Anderson, several different things here. Some wall clocks and a really cool Redskins table. Terrific job, Greg. That's there's so many different things that you can do with this carving thing. So this is Matt King, U.S. Air Force, and obviously 9/11 tribute. Terrific job, Matt. Like it. That actually both of those would be really good sales products. David McClain, excuse me.
Hold on to the
He took a photo of his bus, enlarged it, and then traced it with carbon paper on a board. Very clever. Way to go. Great job, David. Looks good. A lot of details on there. Very nice. Will Heckler. This one, that is a lot of background. So you kind of did the opposite of what I do a lot. Rather than a black background, he went dark on the letters and wood color background. Great job, Will. Beautiful. Beautiful work. Trix Van Villay.
She's in. Where's she at? She's like an international. I don't know.
Really, I didn't have any. I don't have any notes on this at all.
She's
beautiful work though.
She's
very nice.
I'm not sure where.
Very nice. Great job, Trix. I like that name. It's cool. David Martin in Australia. Another great one by David. So it's basically about 20 inch by 12 inch, 3/4 inch Tasmanian oak. I can imagine that's hard. And it's got mineral oil. Steel pipe has her ashes. She passed away from a disease, and the black pieces were her hip implants.
Oh.
So those were actually out of her hip, and her ashes are in the pipe. What a cool way to make a tribute. Beautiful job, David. Great work. Mike, Boston Mike Considine. So this may be that one that we were talking about when we were on the road and he had to remake it because the finish was bad. I'm not sure if it is for sure, but I think it is. Anyway, Mike, great job. Beautiful. I think this is on a piece of plywood. I don't have any notes on it, but yeah, that is plywood. Terrific job, Mike. Butch White. Haven't seen one from Butch for a while. Terrific work. Nice clock. I think that's one of those rounds, but I don't know for sure. I don't have any notes on it. 24-inch round, though. 24 inches. That's a big piece. Great job, Butch. Nick Caravale.
Yeah.
Caravale.
I talked with him. This is his wife.
Yep.
Who just graduated from, I can't remember what.
Her name is Heather.
What's her degree in?
And she wrote an essay about her grandmother and her core values. I don't have what her degree is, but her core values, the essay that she wrote about her grandmother was about kindness and courage. And this is a sign that Nick made for her.
She's a Gosh, I think she works full time. She goes to school full time, and she's got kids and
Yeah.
married. She's an ambitious little gal.
She is a worker. Yeah.
And
Congratulations,
that was his
Heather.
first sign.
Yeah. Terrific work, Nick. Beautiful, beautiful sign. One of his first. Great. Pete Hernandez. I think that's off of our little hummingbird pattern. Or it's a bigger version of it, but that looks like our little hummingbird pattern. Very nice, Pete. Very nice. Great job. First 3 signs from Rick Dodson. Middle sign is for his daughter. She posted it on Facebook, and Rick was contacted by a real estate agent about buying signs for customers as housewarming gifts. We've talked about that many times. Terrific job, Rick. First 3 signs, very, very nice. Robert Glenn, his 7th sign. Carving signs vertically like that, it can be kind of tricky when you're used to carving them horizontal. Beautiful job, Robert, especially for your 7th sign. Very nice. Curt Tuttle, Merry Christmas. Very nice. Got snow on the tree and the whole bit. Very nicely done. Great job, Curt. Frank Jenkins. Laminated 1x8 poplar. The stars, he used the carving liner. Everything else, he used a profile bit in the 90. And the blue and the red are Krylon. Did a lot of masking on this. So he touched up the red and the white with one-shot. The one-shot automotive paint that I used. Beautiful job, Frank. Very nice. You'll sell a bunch of those if you get them in front of people. Mike O'Brien. So this is 15 by 25 birch. And he did it for a friend. Used freezer paper transfer on the letters and cup. And the flowers and vines drawn by hand. Very, very impressive. Very nice, Mike. Love it. Eric Coleman. So he has a friend that's a fireman for Holton Fire Camp. Wanted to do something for them as a group. Isn't that cool? Mm-hmm. That is really, really neat. I don't have a size on that, but you can tell
it's pretty big.
Pretty good size, you can tell. Very nice job, Eric. Beautiful. Bruce Lehman. So he used a carving liner, a profile bit, a 60 bit, and this is for a local restaurant.
You're bending it forward.
Sorry. Bend it forward or don't?
Oh, you did.
Oh, okay. Is that better? Great job. Beautiful sign. I'm sure they absolutely loved it. Terrific job, Bruce. Brad Turk. These are for his 2 granddaughters.
Savvy? That's her name? I love that.
Yeah. Savvy and Addie. I think it's pronounced Savvy. Beautiful. Great job. I bet they love them, Bruce. Or excuse me, Brad. John Moore.
I guess the glare's on the board there.
Yeah, I think it's the picture, actually. Look at that, though. Cut from a cedar log. 8 inches by 31 inches. Cut from a cedar log he had. That brain is just spectacular. Ah, so cool. Beautiful, beautiful job, John. Beautiful board. Doug Harden. What do I have on here? 14 inches by 23 inches. Beautiful job on the Marine Corps logo. That's not that easy to do. Pulled it off. Looks nice. Great job, Doug. Bob Rose. I'm your Huckleberry. 19 by 21. Very nice. I like the edge. Nice rustic edge. Really goes with that kind of a sign. Very nice. Good job, Bob. Linda, how do you pronounce that? Oh, I didn't even. Marcano. I didn't even write her name on the back. First sign. Very nice. For a first sign, those are not easy to carve. That's a pretty skinny letter. Great job. Beautiful work, Linda. Joyce Ann Van Pelt. Very nicely done. Again, that's what I call those letters and the letters on the bottom. That's what I call single line outset. I don't do a lot of those, but those really did a nice job on that, Joyce Ann. Very nice. Good work. John Higginbotham. Aromatic cedar. First sign. Crazy. Very nice. Beautiful job, John. I love it. That is gorgeous.
That's where
wood.
he did his name as the numbers on the clock.
Yeah. Isn't that cool? Gary Zellner. Now this is interesting.
I like
this
that font.
This is actually not wood. This is a piece of vinyl, but it has a wood look to it. It's a trim. It's a piece of vinyl trim that's manufactured to look like wood. And it's 1x6. And he said it carved easy, and paint actually stuck to it. So, interesting way to go, Gary. Looks good. Lou Bryan. 12x20. Pine with gunstock stain. I really like the gunstock stain. I don't do much with it. I've only used it once or twice. But that looks really, really nice. Great job, Lou. Very nice. Jeremy. Who's this? Jeremy
All.
Jeremy All. Or no, Jeremy. I don't have a last name. I don't think Jeremy told me his last name.
Oh.
This just indicates all of them are 5x17s. So Jeremy didn't give me his last name. But great job, man. You're making some nice signs. Should be selling the heck out of those if people see them. Beautiful job. Bill and Cindy Wallace. First sign. 2 inches thick. 6x14 is the size. Oh, excuse me. 14 inches by 6 foot long. Yeah.
Wow, first
six foot long by 14 inches wide. For your first sign, that is hugely ambitious. Very nicely done, guys. Bill and Cindy, congratulations. Beautiful work. Jay Ginsberg. That was easy for me to say. I don't know. This looks like poplar to me. I don't know. It doesn't say here, but that looks like poplar to me. Very nice. Nice and simple, but really, really well done. Very clean. Good job, Jay. Bill Canzioria. I'm sure
Is that a table?
Bill's laughing at me. It is. That's a 20 inch by 28 inch by 5 foot pine table.
It's beautiful.
With a resin finish on it. You can see how it kind of shines that it's got a resin finish on it. Isn't that gorgeous?
Mm-hmm.
Great job,
He
Bill.
sent me a picture of that.
Yeah. Yeah,
It's
you can
beautiful.
see the way it shines on there. It's got resin. Beautiful work, Bill. Love it. Great job. Last but not least, Dave Bushy from Canada. 2 inch thick black walnut, 8 foot long.
Jeez.
That, I wish it was a little bit better picture. 8 foot long piece of walnut. Man, that thing has to weigh 150 pounds. Great job, Dave. Beautiful work, man. Very, very nice. All right, that's it, boys and girls. Another terrific group. Keep sending me those pictures. Remember, though, I can only take one picture because I get so many. One picture per month per person. So email them to me directly. That's the way you get them to me, eric@makeawoodsign.com. If you guys have any questions, same email. If you send me messages through Facebook, I might see it, I might not. There's just a lot of different places they could get lost in there. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you guys need anything, you know how to get a hold of us. Supplies, there's the website. And we love you. We'll see you on Friday Live. Bye-bye.